Right. Chromosome is a single highly organized and structured piece of DNA. Population is a group of interacting individuals of the same species located in the same area.
Favorable trait. A trait that is beneficial to an organism and will likely be chosen by natural selection.
Species, a group of organisms with similar characteristics that are able to interbreed or exchange genetic material.
Mutation. A change or damage in the DNA that permanently alters the genetic message in that gene. Inherited trait. A characteristic that is passed from a parent to an offspring.
Variants are the different forms or variations of something.
He looks like he's 10.
Gene is the basic and physical function unit of the heredity made up of DNA. Genetic variation, the variety of gene combinations that exist within a population. Adaptation, a process by which a population becomes better suited to its environment by increasing the frequencies of alleles that provide benefits to survival and reproduction. Generation, organisms of the same species are in the same level of descent from a common ancestor, a parent member of one generation, and its offspring members are the next generation. Artificial selection, the process of which humans breed other animals and plants by particular traits.
The process by which humans breed other animals and plants for particular traits. Process by which organisms with favorable traits produce more successful offspring than organisms with less favorable traits, causing the favorable traits to become more common in the populations. Punnett square, a tool used to analyze the possible ally combinations of the offspring between two individuals. The process by which humans breed other animals and plants for
Artificial selection, the process of which human breeds other animals.
Shut up, Chloe!
Chloe! Artificial selection, the process of which
Start.
artificial selection.
Quiet time. Wait.
Generation is a member of one generation and its offspring are members of generation, organisms of the same species that are in the same level of descent from a common ancestor. The parent is a member of one generation. And keep going. So like you can like cut it, you know? Like, are we gonna start? Of one generation is and its offspring are the members of this next generation. Generation.
Oh, my face is.
Generation.
No.
From a common essence. Organisms. I forgot to say the first word.
Start.
Organisms. I can't even see the face.
Start.
What's my eyeball?
Start.
Organisms of the same species are the same level of decent.
Go.
Process by which organism. Favorable trait. A trait that is beneficial to an organism and will likely be chosen by natural selection.
Species, a group of organisms with similar. No mistake.
Favorable.
Start.
What's your practicing?
Favorable.
Oh, you also have organism. Never mind.
Bro.
Why is there a long? Favorable trait. Did you say? No, I don't want to do it first.
You done?
No.
Adapt. We said yoga.
Lost it. Lost it. Lost it.
Kick you.
Lost it.
Stab you.
Adapt.
Allies. Allies.
I'm a glass Mr. Beaver.
Let me get it. Let me do it.
That's not allies or ally. Adaptation, a process which a population becomes better suited to its environment by increasing the frequencies of
Start.
genetic variation, the variety of gene combinations that exist within a genetic variation, the variety of gene combinations that
Action. Just let me practice.